I'm sorry.
One day you'll have to snip those apron strings and let Toothless stretch his wings.
I see why you're moving on.
You gave him his freedom, Hiccup. What were you expecting?
To save me, 'cause I miss you like
I never thought he'd stay away for good.
I hate that your love is gone. Yeah. So how
I feel like the same screw-up I was before I met Toothless.
Act like I don't care, but I'm a mess when I'm alone.
Well,
Say you
you're right.
broke me first, but
You're
I
back
was
to where
hurting
you
all
started.
alone. And
But I
wanted
was
you
the
not to
first to
fall in
believe
love.
in
I
you.
told you should run. And now I'm sorry for
And
the
I have
hurting
watched
that
you
I
doubt whether
caused.
you're worthy
I
ever
lie
since.
awake at night just hoping that you call. 'Cause I'm so sick and tired of staring at these walls. And I've been wondering if you feel the same or if you feel it all. 'Cause I'm sorry I hurt you. I know I don't deserve you.
It's okay, bud.
I see why
You belong there.
moving on.
With her. We don't.
I need you to save me, 'cause I miss you like crazy. I hate that your love is gone. That your love is gone.
You're right, bud.
Please
Next time.
don't go. Hold me close.
I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted.
Please don't go.
I didn't think about what you
Hold
needed.
me close. Kiss me slow.
I love you too, and I want you to be free.
I'm sorry.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
You and me as one. We'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.